So the Phoenix Permaculture Guild and the Downtown Tempe community are partnering with ASU. We're doing a collaborative study on this market on Mill downtown, on the resources that are being used both by the vendors and by the market itself, and to figure out what steps we need to take to get this to be the greenest event, not just in Tempe, but we're looking for the first carbon neutral market in the US. We see a whole range of people that come down here. I've had a lot of students from ASU come down. When I ask people, how'd you hear about it? Oh, we found you on Facebook or things like that. We have, the established residents that come in, families, young families coming down. It is a family-friendly event. Tonight we've got kids' activities going on in the park over here. We've got the bunnies down there, the fountain. There's always live music, there's always food vendors, and we have like the best ice cream in town. So it's a fabulous event.